Okay, let's continue our discussion the numeric word problems or number-based word problems, or simply call it number problems. So this is our number 20th problem so far. So the problem says a number between 10 and 100 is 5 times the sum of its digits. If 9 be added to it, the digits are reversed. Find the number. Okay, so to solve this problem, we need to make use of the concept that we have discussed before about a placeholder of a number. Okay, so we have this problem saying that the number or a number between 10 and 100. Okay, so what are those numbers between 10 and 100? So it should be a 2-digit number, right? It can be from 11. So we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and so on and so forth until 99. Okay? So because the next number of 99 is 100. So it should be 11 to 99. So it means that the number between 10 and 100 is a 2-digit number. Okay? So we can let that 2-digit number, so let xy be the number. Okay? So it should be a 2-digit. The first digit is x, the second digit is y. So our number here between 10 and 100 is xy. Alright, so we make use of the concept as discussed in our previous example. I think that was number 17. So, if, for example, if you have, say, 65, number 65, this digit 6, this is the placeholder of the tens. Okay, and the 5 here is the placeholder of ones. Alright, so it means that the 65, so we can write this as 10 times this digit times 6, then you just add. Then we have the placeholder of 1, then times this digit. So times 5. So what is 10 times 6? 10 times 6 is 60 plus what is 1 times 5? That is equal to 5. So when you add, that is 65. So you see? So this is the concept that we're going to use in solving this problem. Alright? So we have here the statement of the problem. A number between 10 and 100, we call that number as xy. So xy is, so the word is here means equals 5 times. So 5 times what? The sum of its digits. So these are the digits x and y. So sum of x and y, so x plus y. So times 5 times this sum of the 2 digits. Okay, so we can rewrite this as, so multiply, distributive property of multiplication. So we have 5 times x plus 5 times y is 5y. And then we'll apply this concept on the left side. So our x can be written as 10, placeholder of this digit is 10, then multiplied by this digit, then plus, so the placeholder of 1, so 1, then times this digit y, equal to 5x plus 5y. So 10 times x is 10x plus 1 times y is simply y, equal to 5x plus 5y. Okay, so applying the technique that I have taught you in the previous videos. So we'll eliminate this 5x on the right side. So we subtract this by 5x. We subtract also 5x on the left side to balance it. Then let's remove this y. So we subtract y. Then we subtract also y on the other side. So 10x minus 5x is 5x. Positive y cancels out with negative y equal to positive 5x cancels out with negative 5x equal to 0. Then 5y minus y equal to 4y. Then making the right side equal to 0, so let's subtract both sides by 4y. Okay, so we subtract both sides by 4y, so 4y minus 4y equal to 0. So right side equal to 0. On the left side, we have 5x minus 4y. So let this be our equation 1. Okay, and then another statement, if 9 is added to it. So what is this word it? It refers to what? So that word it, that refers to the number xy. Okay, so that refers to that number xy. So if 9 added to it, our number is xy, then added 9 to it, to this number. The digits are reversed. So the digits are xy. So r, the word r here means equals. Reverse. So instead of xy, that becomes yx. So this is now the mathematical expression of this statement. If 9 be added to it, so it that refers to the number between 10 and 100, which is xy. So the digits are reversed. So this is the digits xy and that reverse after adding by 9. Okay, so again, apply this concept here to this equation. So again here, our x is the placeholder of 10 multiplied by this digit x, then plus our y here is the placeholder of 1 multiplied by y plus 9 equals. So our y here is the placeholder of 10, so 10 times y, then plus our x here is the placeholder of 1, so 1 times x. So 10 times x is 10x plus 1 times y is y plus 9 equal to 10 times y, it is 10y plus 1 times x is simply x. Okay, so let's eliminate x on the other side, on the right side. So let us subtract both sides by x, subtract this by x. Then let's remove y or everything else on the left side, retaining only this 10x on the left side. So we have to subtract this also by y. So we subtract this also by y. We subtract this by 9. We subtract this also by 9. 9, not y, but 9. Okay, so 10x minus x is 9x. Positive y cancels out with negative y equal to 0. Positive 9 cancels out with negative 9 equal to 0. Equals 10y minus y equal to 9y. Positive x cancels out with negative x equal to 0. So what is left is minus 9. Alright, so rewriting. So we have common factor here which is 9. So you can factor that out. Okay. So meaning divide both sides by each term by 9. So what is left is y minus 1. Then to solve for x, let's divide both sides by 9 to solve for x. So 9 times y minus 1, divide this by 9. So 9 at the numerator cancels out with the 9 at the denominator, retaining x only on the left side. So 9 divided by 9 equal to 1 or cancels out. So we have y minus 1. You can have the parenthesis or you just remove the parenthesis. That's okay. Alright, so this is our equation 2. Okay, so what we're going to do now is substitute. Substitute equation 2 and equation 1. So our equation 1 is 5x minus 4y equal to 0. So substituting, x is equal to y minus 1. So 5 times, instead of writing x, our x is y minus 1. Minus 4 times y equal to 0. So apply the distributive property of multiplication. So 5 times y is 5y. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Minus 4y equal to 0. So combining similar terms, we have 5y minus 4y is simply 1y or just y. Then minus 5 equal to 0. So solving for y, so let's add 5 both sides. So add this by 5, 0 plus 5. So negative 5 cancels out with positive 5. So y is equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5. So we have solved now our digit, which is equal to 5. So to solve for x, let's substitute y equal to 5 in equation 2. So here, so x equal to y minus 1. I'm writing the equation. X equal to, our y is equal to 5 minus 1. So x is equal to 4. Alright, so therefore the number xy is, our x is 4, our y is 5. So our number is 45. So this is our final answer. So the number is 45. Okay, so to check your answer, you may substitute. So it's here, any of these equations, and you will find that both sides are equal. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, just leave your question in the comment section. Thank you.